Okay, so come back we talk about this now. Yeah, come back we talk about this. Sometimes when you see some things that happen to some people, you see, let me tell you, when you have good intention in you, in a many ways it can come out. You see, your grandparents they must make a lot for you to be here. And let me share one video. When everybody did that, let me tell you something. You see your grandparents them, you must make them roll in at the grave. Then gone, them probably here, but don't talk about them like that. Don't talk about them like that. Listen to that video here and me I will not go talk. When everybody did that capture land for build house to their whole blood class generation, all my grandparents said they are do a fuck. No, just a grind. 22 pitney at 1 acre land. When Hey, I scroll and see this, I'm decide to come over here, come voice my opinion on it. Yeah, more time I like voice my opinion. But then as me not post no video yesterday. But me kinda ease down after posting every day and just post every other day. So yeah, me I go try post every other day. Or it depends on how, things I go. Cause I'm busy, I have other channel with me, my food channel. But I was scrolling just now and me listen to that and it just bring back memories to me. Sometimes it's not what you say, how you said it. My grandma did have 18 kids and a 2-bedroom house she did have. But it was her house, concrete. I've had a little outside kitchen, no go up on a light and water there. But I'm saying this to say that it's not what you said, it's how you said it. They maybe have a lot of kids, but guess what? They are the one who also make a lot of people be on this earth because they have a lot of kids. Now, a lot of people don't want to have kids anymore. So the population is cutting down because they are taking out people and people now born. They might take out people more than all people are coming upon the earth. So the population are go down. You can't discriminate your grandparents like that in such tone of words. And it's not funny. Like people may not understand how people just get up every day and just target their own people just to get the views and forget like everybody knows say when you get views, eventually you will get paid. Depends on which platform you're on. You look at views here and there, they add up and you will get a little chupans, you get a little pay for them, depends on how your page grow. Not like my page, because my page not grow yet. But I'm just saying, me share my opinions over here. But why give me the right to come here now, come tear down my grandmother in such manner? Like on a serious note. Yes, my grandmother might did have proper land and them something there. Them did have land. Which part them did have the land now? Nobody know there. Nobody not there no more because I pay a bush over there and it abandoned. The house abandoned, everything abandoned, no light, no water, nothing no over there. So the young people not really want to live there. My grandparents did own whole heap of land. Whole heap of land then did own. But I'm just saying, and then did have a lot of kids. I'm just saying, they sacrifice a lot for us to be here. Regardless, we might not happy with some of the things them with them do. But same do we. We're not perfect. We're not happy with some of the things that we even doing throughout our life. Sometimes we question ourselves and say, what we could have do different, what we could have do better. You know? My mother have 6 children, but my mother never have a piece of land before she passed. Well, she have a house, but I don't really. Her land is what you call that land, lease land. And that me only do because if the people them want their land now, then put you off it. You could have never get me go buy go build a house on a piece of lease land. No, so that is something where my mother do wrong and she build up her little cabin, We could have never go lease land and build house because I have a family member we go through something like that. never lease, but somebody give them the property to build the land, and as soon as them build the land, the house on the land, them want the place. So at the same thing, give and lease to me is the same thing. You spend your money, yes, but if you go build up the land pan, you go build up the house pan lease land, what you think are gonna happen? People them eventually want them property. You know, nothing forget feet and then keep on a raise them property. So we don't encourage nobody to do that. But just saying, just to say, you know, agree with me, yes or no? There's no way you should have been talking about your grandmother like that, whether she's alive, yes or no. She have how much in kids. Sometimes them not choose that. But then na them in a for them days when them have so much pitney, they not have proper family planning, they not have proper things to help guide them, people not educate them on certain things. Them go through a lot. And as some make you can come here now. You come here now and for you fear discriminate her like that. Discriminate them like that. You know right. You know the tone of voice towards them, it's not right. That tone of voice, I'm not saying that you couldn't what she say is all she say it and she find it funny and she find it degrading. It to me, this is just degrading. And it's wrong. And as me say, it might be the truth to it, but sometimes it's not what you said, it's how you say it. And respect go a far way. Those are your grandparents, and even if they're not here anymore, they are the one that make you are here. So you are trendsetter, you set the trend for do better than what them do. Because when them give birth to them pitney, but most mothers look out for them kids to be better than them. Some mother grudge them pitney because for whatever reason. No, it shouldn't be like that. No matter how high your pitney go, you should have been celebrating them and be happy for them. Because you carry them come here. And at least you look on your growth and say, I have done a good job as a parent. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, my parents supposed to be proud of me. My mother would have been proud of me today because guess what? I'm a home owner. Something that she never had. My parents them should be because I have accomplished better than where, even though them never grow me, I have accomplished better than where them accomplish. In my life, me accomplish more than where them accomplish. So if she was alive today, should I be proud of me? Because she always a pray for me. So there's no way, you know, I could have come and just degrade my parents in a them farmer way there. Talk, of course you can speak. Nobody now tell you say enough to speak, but it's not what you said, it's how you said it. And I find it very offensive when I listen to it. I'm like, God, why sometimes when me scroll, me have to see some things. Some things me don't want to see and me don't want to hear. And sometimes when you hear them something here, you really have to stop it. Like, you know, voice your opinion upon this. Don't be afraid to share opinion upon certain things if you're a YouTuber or what. Voice your opinion upon things where you think is not right, because that's how we feel like we come together as a team and talk about things that is not right. We try to stop certain things from happening. We're not gonna say we can stop people from talk, but if somebody could have say to her say, what you put on the internet, it not right, it not sound good, you know. Lead in the right way. Whether if your grandmother or grandparents are alive, yes or no, she's supposed to roll in her grave, or she's supposed to be upset if somebody go and tell her say you say that. Maybe she not around anymore because black woman now have so much pitney again. Trust me, they now have so much pitney again because them get so much curse out and say them a breed up and then can't take care of pitney and them something. So now the earth a get underpopulated. It a happen slowly but surely. Cause more times some woman not even want pitney again. Because the amount of cost then cost woman that rotten when they can provide and then something there. And then I realize say them sooner have nobody to take care of them. Yeah, because nobody them kind of work here now where people take care of people coming like it I go cut out because Nobody now born to come take care of you when you get old again, you know. Nobody now born more than so again. So all of people are gonna go back to suffer, struggle, and all of things are gonna happen. Pitney now born like one time because of all of them something you know where I go on. Nothing leave people, make people be. She have 22 kids, you know how much are the 22 kids. And my grandmother have 18 kids, you know how much or extended my family is. Huge. When you really look upon it. Cousin. Spread out, wide gone a Jericho. But you don't want to have pit no more because people get too much cuss and then something there. So much things now out there to stop people from have pitney and then things. But I don't know. We must multiply as a woman, you know. Yeah, we must multiply. Woman must have pitney. Once you can have it, they must have pitney. Yeah. There should be a system that set up to help woman with pitney. No care what nobody wants to say. And that are gonna build the hurt. People. We're not gonna make take over the hurt. Robots? A robot don't want to take over. So human gone and appear robot upon the land. Papa Jesus. No sir. Woman now pick me again like one time. So earth I get underpopulated eventually. And that gonna happen. If baby now born what gonna happen. So what no plan for do? We no plan for use robot and hatch up pitney. And that we not gonna do? We not gonna use robot and hatch up pitney because woman no want have pitney like that again. So you talk to me in the comment section. Give me sound like me I lose it. Me I feel I think it's weird. Yeah, me not like how she talk about her grandmother. Regardless, you know. Anyway, me done. So now tell me what you think in the comment section below. Big up on yourself, more blessings and prosperity to all I know. Take care. Bye bye.